In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize output in Notebooklm. To begin, open any notebook inside Notebooklm. You can use an existing project or a brand new one. The important thing is that you are inside a notebook view, where you can see your content and the tools for creating outputs. If your notebook has sources or notes already added, that is helpful, because the outputs will be generated based on what is inside the notebook. Next, move your attention to the right-hand sidebar, which is labeled Studio. This panel is where Notebooklm offers different ways to turn your notebook content into something more structured and ready to use. In the Studio area, look for the tiles labeled Audio Overview, Quiz, or Slide Deck. These are 3 common output types, and each one can be tailored so the final result matches your needs. Once you find the output type you want, you will customize it directly on that tile. Look for the Customize option shown as a small pencil icon. Click the pencil icon for the specific tile you plan to generate. This is important because each tile has its own customization settings. Changing the instructions on one tile will not automatically change the others. After you click the pencil icon, you will see a place to enter instructions. Type your specific requirements clearly. You can describe the tone you want, such as professional, friendly, or concise. You can also set a focus, like emphasizing key takeaways, covering only certain topics, or simplifying the language for beginners. If length matters, specify that as well, such as keeping it short, expanding with more detail, or aiming for a quick summary. Write your instructions in plain language, as if you are giving direction to an assistant. When you are done, click Save. Saving locks in your preferences for that output tile, so Notebooklm uses them during generation. Finally, generate the output by clicking the Generate button on the same tile. Notebooklm will create the audio overview, quiz, or slide deck using your notebook content and the custom instructions you provided. If you want a different style later, return to the pencil icon, adjust your instructions, save again, and generate a new version. That covers everything you need to know.